Welcome back! What animal does humans share the most DNA with? What animal is known as the Asian unicorn? If you think you know the answers, you're in for a wild ride. Hit subscribe so you never miss a Mind Games challenge, and let's get straight into it. What animal is famous for carrying its young in a pouch? They are famous for hopping across the Australian outback. Kangaroo. A newborn kangaroo is the size of a jelly bean. What are the only cats that live together in groups? Lions. Female lions do 90% of the hunting for the pride. Frogs are born as fully formed adults directly from their eggs. True or false? What's your final answer? Could you explain more in the comments? What animal is referred to as the ship of the desert? Camels. Camels can drink 40 gallons of water in one go. What animal was discovered to have domesticated itself over 10,000 years ago? Cats. Cats sleep for about 70% of their lives. Which animal has stripe patterns that are all unique, just like a human fingerprint? Zebras. Zebra stripes act as a natural insect repellent. The elephant is the largest living land mammal on Earth. True or false? True. African bush elephants are the heaviest and largest land animals. What is the biggest species of primate? Gorilla. Gorillas construct new nests on the ground to sleep in every night. What is the only mammal that can fly? They use echolocation to navigate through the night skies. Bats. Dolphins are a type of fish because they live underwater. True or false? False. Dolphins are aquatic mammals that give birth to live young and nurse them. What is the largest rodent in the world? Capybara. Capybaras can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. What animal do we share the most DNA with? They share about 98.8% of their genetic blueprint with humans. Chimpanzees. What African mammal is known for its laugh? Spotted hyena. Their laugh actually signals frustration or fear. Which land animal has the second largest brain, weighing around 11 pounds? They have incredible memories and use their trunks like hands. Elephant. What animal uses its tough scales as armor and will roll into a ball when threatened? They look like scaly pine cones and are heavily targeted by poachers. A pangolin. What animal will use spitting as a warning to other members of the same species? Llamas. Llamas can easily carry up to 25% of their body weight. Lions live together in family groups called prides. True or false? True. A pride usually consists of related females, offspring, and a few males. What common, bushy-tailed, tree-loving creature has teeth that never stop growing? A squirrel. Front squirrel teeth grow about 6 inches per year. What animal has soft toe pads to help them silently stalk their prey? Bengal tiger. A tiger's roar can be heard over 2 miles away. What is the largest mammal in North America? Bison. Bison can run at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. What is the heaviest tree-dwelling animal? Orangutans. Their arm span can reach up to 8 feet wide. What animal also lives in Australia, has a pouch, and is the smaller cousin of the kangaroo? Wallabies. Wallabies use their long tails entirely for balance while jumping. Sharks do not have bones. Their skeletons are made of cartilage. True or false? True. Cartilage makes sharks much lighter and more flexible in the water. What is the largest cat in the Americas? Jaguars. The name jaguar means he who kills with one leap. Which animal's fingerprints are incredibly similar to humans? Koalas. Koala fingerprints can easily confuse crime scene investigators. What is the only marsupial living in North America? They are famous for playing dead when facing a predator. A possum. What small, spiny mammal actually has lactose intolerance? People often mistakenly leave out bowls of cow milk for them in gardens. Hedgehogs. Cats can see perfectly in total 100% pitch black darkness. True or false? False. They have excellent low-light vision, but they cannot see in pure darkness. What is the overall strongest animal in the world? They can lift up to 14,000 pounds with their powerful trunks. African bush elephant. What animal is immune to cancer? Mole rats. They can survive for 18 minutes without oxygen. According to Pennsylvania Dutch folklore, which animal predicts 6 more weeks of winter if it sees its shadow? The groundhog. What bear is the smallest species of bear in the world? They live in tropical Asian forests and have a golden patch on their chest. Sun bears. What member of the bovine family has larger lungs and a heart so it can endure higher altitudes? They have long, shaggy coats to survive freezing Himalayan peaks. Yaks. What black and white animal burrows and lives in a home called a set? A badger. Some badger sets are over 100 years old. What is the largest carnivorous marsupial in the world? They have a pitch-black coat and release an incredibly loud, eerie screech. The Tasmanian devil. Owls are nocturnal birds, meaning they are active mostly at night. True or false? True. Most owl species sleep during the day and hunt after the sun sets. Which mammal was thought to not have vocal cords? It was recently discovered they produce low-frequency nocturnal hums. Giraffes. What is the smallest animal by weight, weighing only around 2 grams? The Etruscan shrew. It must eat up to twice its body weight daily. What land mammal has the most teeth? This armor-plated digger can grow up to 100 teeth in its lifetime. The giant armadillo. What animal in baby form is known as a puggle? Echidnas. Echidnas are one of the only 2 mammals that lay eggs. A rhinoceros horn is made of keratin, the same protein as human hair? True or false? True. Their horns are composed of tightly compacted masses of keratin. What is the biggest land-living weasel? This fierce, solitary northern predator can drive bears away from food. The wolverine. What is one of the world's rarest mammals, also known as the Asian unicorn? This mysterious horned forest creature lives in the Annamite Range of Vietnam. The saola. Snakes are cold-blooded reptiles that cannot generate their own body heat. True or false? True. Their body temperature changes along with the temperature of the environment. What small, cute, big-eyed nocturnal primate is really known as a galago? Bush babies. They wash their hands and feet with urine to track paths. What dog has a blue tongue? This ancient, fluffy guard dog breed originated in northern China. Chow chow. What elusive African animal is known as the forest giraffe? Octopus. Their secret skin oil acts as a built-in waterproof shield. What bear has vertical slits for pupils, making it different from other bears? Panda. What animal can cover 30 feet in one single bound? Kangaroo. Kangaroos cannot physically walk backward. Crocodiles possess specialized vocal cords to roar loudly. True or false? False. Crocodilians lack true vocal cords and produce sounds by bellowing. That's a wrap on Mind Games. Were any of those animal facts totally unexpected? Hit subscribe and stay tuned. The next quiz is going to blow your mind. Until next time.